All right, so in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to format any USB disk fast. Because I know, sometimes you plug it in and you'll try and format it by and it just gets all messed up. Look, this way, even if you don't know any passwords, it's password protected, none of that. This will not matter. This will blow through anything on a Windows 11 machine. So first, you want to open a command prompt, but you have to do it as the administrator. So you go down to the bottom and just type in command prompt. Run as administrator. You've got to do that. In Diskpart, disk, P-A-R-T, that calls up, and this program will smash through any disk and format it. I'm going to put these commands below, so you don't worry about memorizing right now. They'll all be in the discussion below. This is what I want you to do. So then unplug all the USBs from your computer, if you can, that you do not want formatted, right? So once you plug in the one you want formatted, right click on it and see how big it is just to make sure. So you want to go to properties and then it'll show you, well, generally it'll show you, I already formatted this one, so this one's kind of messed up. So then it'll show you where it is. All right, so then you're going to type in list disk, and this will show you all your disks. And mine is disk 2, so then you'll type in select disk 2. Oops. Select disk 2, or whichever yours is. All right, so then it selects your disk. Now next you're gonna clean it. You're just gonna type in clean, you're gonna blow everything off this disk. Then create partition primary. So it has to have a partition on it for, computer, how this work and all that. All right, next you're gonna format it. You're gonna use the quick version. So you're gonna type in format, fs, and then ntfs allows bigger files. So I would recommend that. And you want to type quick or it'll take a long time. So then you're gonna type quick, and then you just let it run. And it should just take like a minute or two. All right, there you go. All right, and then lastly, just try and, copy some dumb little file onto it, see if it's working, and hey, you're good to go. All right, good stuff. Hey, like and subscribe, bitches. Yeah.